Assalamualaikum and hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do another ending reaction video, guys. Yes, they are gonna soon have a comeback while I'm filming this. So I think this is the pre-release track. Yes, so we're gonna check out their official track video, not title video, official track video for the song Maybe. So yeah, I'm really excited for it. So without wasting any more time, let's go check it out. So I put on my headphone. Let me bring it up to the full screen. Okay, ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Wow. They're praying for rain, so am I, and a lot of people with Bangladesh. Wow. I really like the intro.
I'll be waiting, I'll be waiting, I'll be waiting, I'll be 가야만 마대ずっとこのままでいたくても季節は巡る君だけはここにいたいいつでも君に帰るから離れないでいて僕から背中合わせ眠る君は僕の知らない夢の中僕だけの君でいるなら君だけの僕でいるから And I'm still right here with you また君を好きになる Maybe it's you Maybe now
I really like this. So that was the reaction. That was my reaction for the song Maybe by Anthem, and it was such a beautiful song, guys. It just touches my heart. I'm really excited for the album, but I really enjoyed this song, and it just my style. This kind of song is just my style, and I really loved it. I really love the simplicity of the music video or the track video. I really love that. Their vocals, oh my goodness, they have grown so much. All of their vocals, all 9 of their vocals was so good, and the combination of their vocals were perfect. I mean, the producers knew which member has to sing which line, and the combination, the chemistry have to be there, and they have done it perfectly. I love the song. It was just so good. I'm just so proud of them. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, do share, do comment, please subscribe to my channel. It really motivates me a lot. And if you guys want to connect with me more, you guys can check out my social media accounts, Instagram, Twitter and TikTok. Those are linked in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.